Sheaf. A bundle of papers or grain tied together. He carried a sheaf of documents. The farmer tied a sheaf of wheat. Rein. A strap used to control a horse also means control. She pulled the reins to stop the horse. He tried to rein in his anger. Kibosh. To stop or put an end to something. The rain put the kibosh on our picnic plans. Her parents put the kibosh on the late-night party. Hiatus. A pause or break in something. The show went on a short hiatus. She took a hiatus from social media. Desist. To stop doing something. The police ordered them to desist. She refused to desist from her plan. Bifurcation. A division into two parts. The road splits in a clear bifurcation ahead. There was a bifurcation in the river. Flub. To mess up or make a mistake. He flubbed his lines on stage. I flubbed the answer in class.
Sorry I'm late. The bus was delayed, then my
Litany.
construction traffic.
All right, take your seat.
Sorry I'm late.
A long list of complaints or repeated statements.
Take your seat.
Sorry I'm late. The bus
She
was delayed,
gave a
then my
litany of excuses for being late.
Sorry I'm
He
late. The bus was
recited a
delayed, then my
litany of problems at work.
All right, take your seat.
In a small hotel or lodging place. We stayed at a cozy inn near the lake. The travelers rested at a roadside inn. Scoop. To pick up or get something quickly. She scooped up the baby. The newspaper got a big scoop.
I know this topic is challenging, but I believe in your
Imbue.
Let's take it one step at a time. I know this
To
topic is
fill
challenging,
something
but I
with a
believe in your
feeling or
Let's take it one
quality.
step at a time. I know this topic is challenging,
The
but I
speech was
believe in your
imbued with
Let's take
hope.
it one step at a time. I know this topic is
She
challenging, but I
imbued
believe in
her
your
art with
Let's take it
emotion.
one step at a time.
That was an abortive attempt.
Abortive. Failing to
That was an abortive
succeed.
attempt.
Their attempt was
That was an
abortive.
abortive attempt.
It was an abortive effort to
That
fix
was an
the
abortive
problem.
attempt.
Moocher. A person who takes things from others without giving back. He's such a moocher, always asking for money. She felt annoyed by the office moocher. Rotten. Bad, spoiled, or very unpleasant. The fruit smells rotten. That was a rotten thing to say. Intact. Not broken or damaged. The package arrived intact. His memory is still intact. Queer. Strange or unusual, older meaning. That's a queer noise. She gave him a queer look. Placate. To calm someone down. He tried to placate the angry customer. She offered an apology to placate him. Compel. To force someone to do something. The law compels citizens to pay taxes. He felt compelled to help her. Splinter. A small sharp piece broken off from something. She got a splinter in her finger. The wood splintered after the hit. Stern. Serious and strict. The teacher gave a stern warning. Her father has a stern voice. Brazen. Bold and shameless. It was a brazen lie. He made a brazen attempt to cheat.
Let's quit everything and start a rooftop cafe right here.
Nutty.
Let's quit everything and start a rooftop
Crazy
cafe
or
right here.
silly in a funny way.
Let's quit everything and start a rooftop
That's
cafe
a
right here.
nutty idea.
Let's quit everything and
He
start a
made a
rooftop
nutty
cafe right
joke
here.
that made everyone laugh. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.